So finally happened, something actually went wrong with the car that is making the car worse in condition. If you know anything about S197s, you know this is the issue with the front cowl getting clogged and debris getting in there and just clogging it up and making water come into the cabin through the cabin air filter. So today we're gonna fix that. We're gonna get our trusted pry tool out and go at it. There's about 4 of these all along the trim. We're gonna pop those out and see what happens. So I'm stupid, you need a screwdriver. Let's get to it. I don't think these are the right ones, but we'll go with it. Oh yeah, these are definitely broken. This one isn't broken, but it wasn't unscrewing. I don't know. And then there's 2 right here. Might be stupid, but it works. Oh, this one might actually be real. And you always want to keep them somewhere safe, obviously. Switching to GoPro because this camera died and I'm stupid again. What is this? Is this a gum wrapper? Who? So we have all these out and yeah, I'm not really sure how this is supposed to go. Do we have to remove that? We're just gonna remove that. I think you have to remove the windshield wiper to get this off. Probably not, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So you need the hood up for this, which I thought you had to have it closed. So you don't have to do any of that. You just it's separated and you just pull up the separate sides and you just gotta finagle that out. Trust me. So here's the cabin filter and it's pretty soaked. It should also be white. That's the color it is originally. So I'm gonna have to order one of these. Ooh, just put it back in. Today we're focusing on the clogging. Just get that out of here because ain't nobody got time for that. And then you also want to inspect the gasket around here, and so you can see it's pretty wet. The foam looks all right all the way around, so we're good on that part. And then this is all the water. Drops GoPro in there. A couple inches. So we're gonna get that fixed. So down there's a lot of water draining. All I'm doing is scooping out the leaves and junk. But it's working. But there's still a bunch of crap right there, which I'll have to vacuum out with the shop vac, which I don't have right now, but I will in a week. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this, wash it. So I accidentally pushed this out because there's so much crap in there. But all this is a drain plug that lets the water go out. But like gases, like carbon monoxide and stuff like that, not into your cabin. As you can see, it's pretty clogged. Yeah, so we'll get this cleaned up, put it back in, and that should be the end of that. All right, so I just got it taken care of, flushed it with the hose, and very clean except for the screen, which I'm just gonna pick all that out. So just put everything back together the way it came off, and you should be good. All right, and everything's back on as it should be. I'll eventually replace those whenever I replace the cabin filter, because I don't feel like doing this until then. See you guys in the next one.